It doesn't blink. It doesn't breathe. But it can walk, speak, maybe even think. Meet Figure 03. The most advanced humanoid robot we've seen so far. A machine that's crossing the threshold between artificial intelligence and human presence. Figure 03 is the third generation in a line of experimental humanoid robots. Developed by Figure AI company, it's designed not just to mimic humans, but to function in the real world alongside us. Where Figure 01 tested basic locomotion and Figure 02 introduced neural AI, Figure 03 combines both. Walking, speaking, perceiving its environment, and learning in real time. It's not just a machine, it's a system, one built to adapt. Standing 5'8", weighing 63 kilograms, and equipped with over 220 actuators. Figure 03 is built with synthetic muscles, liquid cooling, and soft robotic skin. Its face, driven by microservos capable of subtle expressions. It can simulate smiling, blinking, even confusion. Not real emotion, yet, but eerily close. It sees the world through a 360-degree sensor array, listens with directional audio mapping, and processes decisions through its custom neural core, the Neuron Core X. This isn't pre-programmed behavior. This is responsive, intelligent movement, and it's fast. So what can Figure 03 do? Right now, it's being tested in real environments, as a ear lab assistant, helping researchers manage experiments. In elder care, offering reminders, mobility support, and simple conversation. And even in retail environments, serving as a receptionist or greeter. These aren't flashy demos. They're real tasks, and Figure 03 is doing them. But developers say, this is just phase 1. With innovation comes uncertainty. Some see Figure 03 as a marvel, others, a warning. Concerns range from job displacement to surveillance to the deeper question, what happens when we no longer recognize who or what we're talking to? The uncanny valley is real. People report feeling uncomfortable when Figure 03 makes eye contact, when it tilts its head, when it says your name. Is that awe or fear? Developers are already teasing. Figure 04. Faster learning, multilingual fluency, improved emotional recognition. The line between machine and mind gets thinner by the day. How long until these robots move freely in public? In homes? In hospitals? Are we looking at a tool or a new form of life? So, what is Figure 03? A brilliant leap in robotics, or something we don't fully understand yet? Would you trust a machine like this? Subscribe, hit the bell, and stay curious.